Hey everyone, what's going on? So if you want to upgrade your laptop or replace the RAM of your laptop, you're in the right place. So today we'll be upgrading the RAM for this laptop, which is Acer Aspire 3 A315-22 laptop. And this tutorial is not specifically for this model. You can use this tutorial to upgrade any model. So let's get started. So most laptops comes with a separate compartment for RAM and HDD, but here I have to unscrew all these screws to open the back panel. So let's do this first. So once you have unscrewed all the screws, just take the edge of the screwdriver, or if you are using a pick, just take the edge and try to separate this panel from the laptop, and don't insert the screwdriver all the way in, just wiggle in a bit with the edge and it will open. So now that our panel is open, let's put it aside. So here we have the fan, the hard disk drive and the battery. And this is the external slot where we'll be inserting our RAM, and before we do that we have to unplug the battery. So to unplug the battery, just pull this cord lightly towards yourself and it will be unplugged. And now this is the crucial RAM that I bought from Amazon. So this is an 8GB DDR4 RAM, 3200 SODIMM. And you can check out this RAM in their website. I have put the link in the description. You can just go to the description and open the website, and whatever laptop you have, you can just select your laptop's manufacturer and the model number, and it will show you all the RAMs that are supported for your laptop. Even if you don't want to use a crucial RAM, you'll at least get the idea of what kind of RAM is supported for your laptop. So take your RAM, hold it somewhere like this, and make sure you don't touch the golden pins. And then here you have a kind of a lock that will make you understand that this way it fits in the slot. So just take it in a 30-degree angle and try to push it in. You don't have to apply too much force, it will easily insert. And in a 30-degree angle you have to insert it and then push it down, and it will automatically lock in these pins. So basically that's all there is. Now you have installed the RAM. So now that our RAM is inserted, let's plug in the battery. So now that we're done here, let's put in our back panel. And I suggest that you turn on your laptop before you tighten all the screws and check whether the RAM is supported, whether it's working or properly installed or not. Because if it's not supported or anything like that, you don't have to then unscrew the whole back panel again. So now let's check whether the RAM has been properly installed or not. As you can see that the RAM has been successfully installed, so we have both the slots filled. It came with an internal 4GB and we have added this 8GB external RAM, so it has reached its maximum potential of 12GB. So that's it for today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.